the Christians. And Allah records that for us in His eternal book, the Holy Quran. I read a very brief verse from the Holy Quran, from Surah Baqarah, verse number 111, where Allah says, وَلَن تَرْضَى أَنْكَ الْيَهُودُ وَلَن نَصَارَى حَتَّى تَتَّبِعَ مِلَّتَهُمْ, that the Jews and the Christians will never be satisfied with you, O Muslims. Allah is telling us. This is what He says, that the Jews and the Christians will never learn. I come across many brethren here who know Arabic. See, on a percentage basis, more Muslims here, they know Arabic than my people in South Africa. Very few, a handful of us know Arabic. We read the Quran, all of us, they read the Quran, but very few can speak Arabic. Those of you who know Arabic, you will be able to verify that learn means never, most certainly not. وَلَن تَرْضَى أَنْكَ الْيَهُودُ وَلَا النَّصَارَى حَتَّى تَتَّبِعَ مِلَّتَهُمْ, that the Jews and the Christians will never be satisfied with you unless you follow their brand of religion. And this is an eternal truth with us. Wherever we are, we find the same situation. No matter how much backward we bend trying to appease the people, they will not be satisfied with you unless they swallow you, unless they make you a Christian. The Portuguese, I understand, were here on your islands. Very nice people, gentle people, obedient people, easily enslaved. Nice, kind people, kind-hearted, very sweet. Your people. So they came here and they made a home. And they find that the people are amenable. You can do what you like with them. So I'm given to understand that they had a brainwave. The Pope, His Holiness of the time, the Pope in Rome, he made a pronouncement, sent a decree, convert these people, baptize them all. Dip them in the water and take them out as Christians. The Muslims, put him in as Muslim and take him out as Christian. Baptize them all.